Here we have our new 2015 wire stripping machine. We're going to go ahead and strip some wires so you can see how it works. A few things about this machine. Right over here is your start-stop switch, and right over here is your emergency stop switch. So we'll go ahead and turn it on and show you how it works. This is about a ½ inch, so we'll go ahead and run this. Now sometimes you do need adjusting, so you would adjust this and put some tension on there. Let's go ahead and do this one. Sorry about that, though. Let's go ahead and do some small ones.
It's a 14 gauge.
14 gauge, that cuts it pretty easily right there. I think you got another 14 gauge, so go ahead and run that through there. Wrong side. It's a bit smaller. One here. Try to run it through the sides first. Yeah, see, it needs a little adjusting. We could try running it through this other side here. A little better. Run these individual pieces through here. And this one probably needs some adjusting. Alright, there we go. Let's see. That one needs to adjust out just a little bit. So we'll adjust it out a little bit. That's a little bit better right there. A tad bit more. And we'll just run this hard cable here. It's a little tougher cable, but it does cut it. And that noise, that's no problem. It's just the tension moving up and down.